If you want to adjust permissions on POCO F8 Ultra, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, open Settings and scroll down a little bit in order to find Security and Privacy. If you have Security and Privacy, then you can choose Privacy Controls, and then in here we have Permission Manager. And now in here you should be able to find the list of different permissions. You can choose one of these permissions in order to find out which apps are allowed to use the selected permission and which apps are not allowed. Of course, you can choose the app over here in order to then decide if the app should have the access to that permission or not. And besides that, there is also a chance that you will not find security and privacy in settings. So in that case, what you might need to do is you will need to go to privacy protection, and you should be able to find these permissions as well. The same thing pretty much. And last but not least, what you can also do is you can go to apps, and of course over here we have the list of apps, and then you can choose any of these apps for which you want to adjust permissions, and then over here we have app permissions. So you can first select the app, and then you can decide which permissions should be granted for the specific app. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.